Today, I'll show you how to download and install TradingView on PC. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. TradingView has an official desktop app for Windows, and the safest place to get it is the official TradingView Desktop page. TradingView's website lists a direct download for Windows button there. To get started, open your browser on your PC and go to the official TradingView Desktop page. Once the page opens, click Download for Windows. TradingView says, "This is the official desktop app download for PC." After the file finishes downloading, open the installer file from your Downloads folder or from your browser's download bar. Then follow the installation steps on your screen. On most Windows PCs, this usually means allowing the installer to run, choosing any normal install options if they appear, and waiting for the app to finish installing. Once installation is complete, open TradingView Desktop from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Then sign in to your existing TradingView account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. TradingView says the desktop app keeps your layouts, watch lists, settings, and other data synced with web and mobile when you use the same account. Now let's talk about why you might want the desktop app instead of just using the browser. TradingView says the desktop version gives you features like native multi-monitor support, symbol syncing between tabs, and synchronized workspace crosshairs across displays. So if you use more than one screen or keep many charts open, the desktop app can be more convenient than running TradingView in a browser tab. There's also one more helpful detail. TradingView's desktop page says the desktop app uses the same overall experience you already know from the browser version, so once you log in, it should feel familiar right away. So, in simple terms, go to the official TradingView desktop page, click Download for Windows, run the installer, open the app, and sign in. That's the main way to download and install TradingView on a PC, and that's how to download and install TradingView on PC. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.